Hello again! Guys, today's video ay magluluto ako ng sweet and sour meatballs. Ayan. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ating mga ingredients. List of ingredients. There we go. Let's go. Okay, so ito yung ating mga ingredients. Medyo mandadaya lang ako. Ang meatballs ko ay ready-made na siya. Ayan. At itong ating mga ingredients, mayroon ako dito carrots. So, 1 carrot. So, hinati ko lang. Yung half niya is strips. And the other half is florets. Mayroon din tayong small onions dyan. Cut into 4. And mayroon tayong 1 cup of water with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Ayan, dinilute natin. Mayroon din tayo 1/2 cup of pineapple. Pwede kayong gumamit ng tidbits kung yun ang gusto nyo. 3 tablespoon of ketchup. 3 tablespoon of brown sugar. At 1/2 cup of vinegar. So, mayroon din ako dito 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. At of course, yung ating panggisa na olive oil. Okay, tara na, let's go. Let's start. Let's get started now. Okay, so kuha tayo ng isang pan. Sindihan natin. At painitin lang muna natin bago natin ilagay ang oil. So, ilagay na natin ang ating olive oil. Ilagay na natin. Pagka mainit na, ilagay na natin yung ating strip carrots. I-ano lang natin for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so okay na to. Ilagay na natin yung ating vinegar. Ilagay na rin natin yung ating sugar. Okay. Sunod ng salt. Brown black pepper. Okay, mekos-mekos konti. Okay, so ilagay na rin natin yung ating cornstarch na diluted with 1 cup of water. Sunod na rin natin na ilagay yung ating ketchup. Okay, so ilagay na natin yung ating meatballs. Ayan. So, i-mix lang natin para pantay-pantay na silang ma-coat. Yan. So, mix lang. Okay. So, takpan ko lang. Lutuin natin ng about 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, balikan natin. Ayan. Lumapot na nga. So, ngayon, ilagay na natin yung ating carrots. Yung ating onions. At saka, pati na rin yung ating pineapple chunks. Yan. And then, haluin na lang natin. Lutuin natin for about 2 minutes. And then, it will be done. Okay. Okay, balikan natin. Ayan. Nice. Okay na to, guys. Okay na itong ating sweet and sour meatballs. So, ito na yung ating sweet and sour meatballs. Ayan. Kainan na. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.